quilters, Allison from Meadow Quilting. I'm going to be making another cosmetic bag. I've created an area. It's 10 inches wide by 13 inches in height. And I have downloaded a design that I purchased from quiltable.com called Puffs and Curls Edge to Edge. Now, I have already done a video where I've played the game How Small Can I Go? And I've created an edge to edge that would stitch from the left side across the 10 inches, stop, wait for me to cut the thread and press resume, then the machine will move over and start stitching. I'm a little lazy, and what I want to do is I want to create a design that's going to be able to go back and forth for me, because I'm going to make these nice and small. So right now it's 9 inches by 9 inches. I'm going to modify the design. I'm going to resize, and I'm going to set my aspect ratio, lock that. My width and my height are approximately 9 inches. But I want this to read 2 inches. So I've shrunk that design down to 2 inches. My width is now 2.3. You know what? I'm going to push it. I'm going to go 1.5. I like these designs really, really small. So I'm going to deselect or unselect my resize. I'm going to repeat. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to manually put in repeats. Whoops, I'm in vertical. Horizontal. I'm going to manually put in repeats that are going to fit in that area. So I'm going to modify. I'm going to align this design to the center. There. I think that fits perfectly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to baseline this. Then I'm going to edit, duplicate, make a second one. Let's bring it down. What I want to do is I want to kind of position it where I'm happy with it. I can zoom in if I want a little bit and say, okay, how's that space? Let's move that up a little bit, modify, reposition. Let's nudge that design up just a little bit. Now the one thing I want to do, because I want my design to stitch left to right, right to left, I'm going to swap this. Now I'm going to baseline that, and I'm going to select both of them, and I want to make sure that they're going to align. So I'm going to reposition them. Actually, I'm going to align them, and I'm going to align them left. Okay, they're both fitting there perfectly. Now when I look, because of the order that I selected, I'm going to ungroup them. I selected the top row, multi-select, selected the bottom row. Now I'm going to baseline. My design is going to start, stitch across, come down, and stitch back. Now I'm going to go to repeat. I'll refresh, and I'm going to go vertical, and I'm going to fill. And I think I need to close some gaps there. And I'm going to throw in another repeat that completely fills my area. Let's cheat a little bit and stretch it or shrink it. It fits perfectly within the area that I've set up. I'm going to baseline. I'm going to file, and I'm going to save it to a thumb drive. And save. My selected. And I don't want to have merge group come up. So let's see. What was the name of this design? Now I can't remember. It was a puffy cloud or something. So design, there it is. Puffs and Curls Edge to Edge. So I'm going to save the selected. I'm going to save it to my thumb drive. And I'm going to clear this and type in cosmetic bag. Puffy, can't type, cloud, edge to edge. So now I have it on my thumb drive, and I can go and stitch, and my machine will stitch across and back and across and back. Perfect. Happy quilting!